There's nothing worse than waiting. Waiting for lines, waiting for food, waiting for test scores. But with catalysts, the need to wait disappears. Catalysts are by far one of the most important factors in the living world. Catalysts help to speed up a reaction that get changed or consumed during the reaction. They do so by lowering the activation energy needed, by lowering the temperature of reactions or the pressure needed to begin a reaction. When looking at the chemical equations of the elementary steps, you can see that a catalyst appears in the reactant side of one equation but in the product side of the next equation. Catalysts specifically are incredibly important in the human body because they are able to lower the temperature needed to begin reactions, which makes it safe and not too hot for the human body to handle. There are a few different types of catalysts. For example, there's the homogeneous catalyst. That's a catalyst that appears in the same phase or state as the reactants. For example, if a gas was mixing with another gaseous catalyst. Then on the other hand, there's a heterogeneous catalyst, and that's a catalyst that appears in a different state or phase as the reactants involved. That would be like a liquid mixing with a gaseous catalyst. In biology, catalysts are called enzymes. Enzymes are incredibly selective because they work to choose the exact right molecule, which is called a substrate, and transform it into a new product. After this, the substrate splits into two pieces and leaves the enzyme. This then makes it return to its original shape and available to reshape in order to find a new separate catalyst, or enzyme. Catalysts and substrates use non-covalent bonds to form, such as hydrogen bonds, halogen bonds, and many other kinds of bonds.
Enzymes act incredibly similar to locks and keys, the substrate being the lock and enzyme being the key. Substrates will change their shapes in order for the enzyme to fit perfectly, like a lock fits into a key, which is called the induced fit model.
In chemical reactions, molecule bonds of atoms break apart to be rearranged and rebuilt into new molecules. When you add a catalyst to chemical reactions, it makes it easier for these bonds to be broken and for new molecules to be rearranged, rebuilt, and reformed. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned a thing or two about catalysts.